In this pack, you're gonna get the Jade stone right here, which is nice just to apply to your face. You can use it as like a little massager and hold it at different pressure points and angles. And then you're gonna get this roller right here, which you take this off. It has little knobs on each end. And if you look, there's little gel pockets inside here. And you're just gonna clip this into place here. So this will come off. You can put this in the fridge or the freezer. I've been putting mine in the fridge. I actually had it in the fridge overnight, but you can just put it in there as long as you want until you're ready for it. You got a nice little handle here. It fits in my hand really nicely, and gives you this little bump down here so that your hand doesn't slide off of it. So I just roll it all over my face. I get really bad migraines, and I like the cooling effect of it. I currently have a migraine now, so I just like to roll it over the spot. Usually I get mine in the temple right here. So I just like to roll it over that spot. But this helps also with like puffiness. I like to do it also in the morning, not just for migraines, or if you're feeling sick or your kid's feeling sick. This is kind of a fun way to have your child apply some cooling effect when they're not feeling the best or have a temperature. I used to do like washcloths, and I would get those wet and lay them on my kid's head. But honestly, they always take the washcloths off and they throw them on the bed, and then the bed gets wet or damp. This won't have that issue. The kid can just roll it on, and my kids think it's kind of fun to do because it's like it just rolls on and it's cool. So I really like this. There's just so many different things you can do with it and so many different ways you can use it. And in the morning, if you do it, it helps kind of waking you up and giving you that boost like, okay, let's start my day now. So I'm glad they sent me this to review because it's been a great addition.